Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the new OnePlus 6T against the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Since the Mate 20 Pro has 6GB of RAM, I've also got the OnePlus 6T which also has 6GB of RAM to keep it fair. Now with that being said, let's get started. Up first is the OnePlus 6T. It has a 1080p AMOLED screen. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the same Snapdragon 845 CPU along with the Adreno 630 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Then we have the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It has a Quad HD AMOLED screen. It's also on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the new Kirin 980 CPU with the Mali G76 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro leads by 5 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So in round 2 the scores were tied. That is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the score. In round 1, the Mate 20 Pro won by 5 points. However, when it came to round 2, the scores were tied. And this necessarily doesn't mean the OnePlus 6T is bad, because it still has the Snapdragon 845 CPU, whereas the Mate 20 Pro has the new Kirin 980. No doubt the scores would have been different had it been a newer Snapdragon processor, and the OnePlus 6T is still an amazing phone and £300 cheaper. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I'm planning to get more phones including the Pixel 3, so you will see speed tests and camera comparisons, so make sure you have that bell icon enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.